people to be careful. Be careful in everything you do in life, even when somebody is too close to you or too far to you. I want to talk about one stupid, useless woman who called herself Princess Adesagbnon. Very useless. She based in this country, Netherlands. Very useless. See, my people, if money dey with you, be careful. No let am finish before you dey careful. And not be everybody when invite you, not be then. Some people invite you for you to be attacked. I don't know if you know this. Not everybody when invite you for love. When they are looking for where to harm you, they not see. When they want to do party, they will invite you, call you daddy, call you mommy, thinking that thing they plan against you can happen through that party. They don't know say I strong past them. This stupid woman, she calls herself Princess Adesagbnon. You know, so everybody can answer anything they like in abroad. She want do marriage when you do with Ekmo, you cannot say no get husband now. You know, whoever get husband now, stupid people like that don't need husband. I don't know her from anywhere. He used phone disturb me, or say I'm the father of the day. Where are you doing the marriage? He say Nigeria. Nigeria, now you make me father of the day. That is, I have to buy ticket and come to Nigeria. This woman not they let me sleep. The way would they call me self, it will come be like say we'll get waiting with they do. He sent me the IV, this and that. Daddy. I wish that I born this kind of picking when I don't know. The wahala too much. He comes out saying I may be father of the day. Say what happen. I can't agree. I bought ticket because of that stupid woman. I go to Nigeria. Not even in Lagos. Can't be Benin. And me, I know they move alone. I must move with convoy. Mobile police, bodyguard, friends. That's why I take the move. Even who the video myself will see enter the motor. That's how I move my movement. Take it or leave it. That's how I revent my life myself. Reaching Lagos, it never end there. We have to set a day aside of the party. We'll go to Benin. I lodge in a hotel. I will upload the video either this week, since she's a talk about person to this week now. I will upload the video. I still have one of the video. I arrived Benin. In that show, I even met Akabama and the son, E-Friends, and some other artists. If I upload on Agosian, back when I take carry money, my bodyguard na in the whole land. That was a 100 bundle. If I spray finish, I'll do her like this, go back. They'll give me. She kneel down like better person. Daddy. Do you know, right? I never marry you. But to come carry call that same phone when Adesagbnon take disturb me. Till today as I speak, I thought she's even dead. To carry phone come say, thanks for coming. I dey wait. From thanks for coming no day, I can't want do marriage. I can't announce her. I dey wait. Even though she not come for abroad, make she say, congratulations, oh. I wish you well, oh. I dey wait. I can't do marriage because I get her matter for mind. For me to travel because of somebody, her matter they ring for my head. I can't wait. I can't do the marriage. I can't do video for her head. The same way they do now. Till today, I say, this woman die. So anytime when I remember, say, how can I just travel? Somebody I don't know who pretend to be like daddy. I can't make videos so because why they take easy with I get one of him brother, DJ Jeff, when they responsible. I can't make videos so that one can't call me one time and say, priest, make I just forgive. I say, your sister must use her mouth, call me. It's compulsory. So I can't say surrender. But now they see say another people they talk say now grateful person. I say those people not lie now. The woman a useless woman, a ungrateful woman, Princess Adesagbnon. That's why I'm out for her. So my people, keep your money to yourself. Money not they cry for bank. Don't take a risk of visiting people. They are all anyhow people. Mostly visiting somebody for long distance. I do traditional marriage. I dey wait for useless Adesagbnon to call. I do introduction. I do marriage. Good things happen to me. A lot that need congratulations. I'm still waiting. Even what people thought is bad thing, because bad thing has never happened to me. My disappointment has always been a success. I'm still waiting for that stupid woman. I thought she's dead though. That's why I can't see her for social media that they post her picture, whether birthday say this woman still there alive. Very useless, ungrateful human being. Where the husband when marry, he now so waiting rose things say for do me. Now he do her husband, the Ekman man when marry, he use her turn toy. The marriage not even last a year. Oh. The marriage just lasted for a few months. Oh. You are no good, you are no good. There's nothing you can do about it. Their marriage did not last a year. What is a year? I think a month to 3 months. Now their marriage lasts. And I'm thinking she's still a single person now. She was once single before that man go put in her thing say one thing. You go dey single because the character when you dey exhibit outside, there is no way you will not exhibit and stand to your man inside. Adesagbnon, you are very useless. You are useless. No, na be the human trafficker when they look for my enemy head. But when it comes to money, you no come talk say you no go invite or you no go call daddy or mommy. Oh. So after I don't finish with you now, grease your creation. Make a lubricant. With money, with my influence. You can't remember say you are a human trafficker that I am your enemy. I don't want to swear for you, but time reach when I'll still swear for you. That your mouth, whether your old age, you go open and take beg me, tell me, thank you for coming to your occasion, thanks for spending. I was not a passing by at Adesagbnon. You invited me from Netherlands to Nigeria. I was not like, oh, what is going on here today? It's a party, let's party. No, it wasn't let's party. It was an invitation with your knees on the ground. Ingrates. People are not saying the same thing about you. I just want to concur with them that is, you are even worse than what they thought you are. Idiot. See, make una dey take time for una reach party. No, make una no dey eat anyhow. If you want to eat for house. And if you want to eat in party, go the one when they give you, leave and go take the one when you just did when they don't give you. Where they serve, just stand there. Hey, give me one or two things there. The one that can't give you with respect, no eat. Oh. Just imagine as Adesagbnon be now when be devil. I reach Nigeria that day, I would think say now white mind they get. You can't give me food, daddy. And I can't eat them. No, say now the human trafficking child lady, where they look for my enemy head, though. You know, go know. Thank God I know they eat anywhere. Me. You see me eat for party, no matter what I wear, you know, say I can't go carry that food there. And I'm not sure anybody say you don't see me eat for party. Since 1995, say I sit down public, I dey eat. I've done it before and I will tell you the answer. I dey call name. Oh. I dey do video. They throw juju for my food anyhow. Thank God my mama still there alive. Now something they make something strong. Let me tell you, you feel bump you as a native doctor, may you not make it strong. But when something they happen, you go can't remember, say, may I put this one for your body. I go hard, they put juju for my food. My mama would do again. Then I will hear me. A same way the house. They say they call it Adegboye house. Adegboye and the same way they are two naming the beer. Then they do a lokun. Now with the video and not be say, now me they cover anything. Not be today I start. They carry me. As I the video, they hey, come eat. Oh, we newly come from us in the morning. They don't cook. Hey, mona come eat. No bag of picking, come eat. They just go carry food, put for room. Hey, come on, they first come now, come eat. Me and my boy, when I can even say na my oga, but you see, oga can't become boy, but I still respect my oga. My story long. I can call her my boy, I can call her my oga, but I dey call her my oga. Me and my oga, because how I take learn this work. As my mama bring somebody from Agbo, when they work for a Sabat TV station. Now he come teach me video from me initial. If I can talk how many months I go serve am, I will give am work. I will give am work. He go plus money we pay. Now for my able to come teach me, but he can't dey use come gather out my work. Before I will do freedom, I will first dey serve am. Now me dey break the work. So to cut the story short, when me can't stand on my own, he no fit go work there for Asian well. He can't agree to dey follow me go work. I can't dey pay. See, my master can't become my oga. So that day now, my oga, now we follow go eat Jogbe house where they say mo can't eat. They carry the rice, they put for ground. I carry spoon. My oga, my boy carry spoon. As we dey eat at the same time, wetin I dey feel, na the guy dey feel. From my tongue, reach my belly, reach my anus, he dey scratch me. Not by outside, inside. The guy said he dey scratch it. We can't scratch it. We are scratching from inside. The poison food give us. This is not one man witness, 2 person. The same way he scratch me from here, all my mouth, inside where the food pass, we dey feel am. We want like we are running mad. We can't scratch it. Have you ever experienced in your life say something dey scratch you for inside belly? This is that was the first and the last time. The same thing me and my oga dey pass through. Thank God my mama dey alive. We carry machine, ladies machine, we take come, we enter, we ride machine. Go Ewato, because that thing happen, never hit me. Go meet my mother. My mother dey house, thank God not go anywhere that day. Now mama give us error. Because if the rush person come and mass, he must get wetin will first give you drink. Whether na snake bite you, whether na anything, whether na poison, just name it. My mother must first get one pot where we carry come, give you drink. They call error. Mama give us that thing drink. As mama give us drink, the same way we feel am for now, so that thing they go down. If like say they wash and throw away, it can't they scratch us for anus. The same way they scratch me for anus, now so that guy say they scratch am for anus, we run go toilet, we can't go the shit. So to cut the story short, since then, if you like, yeah, no banga picking a special food be this, so I bet we I know they eat. That was around 97, 98. Oh, I know they eat. So now, if you go person party, they say can't take food. If it's possible for you not to eat, don't eat. Just for instance, now this useless woman, Princess Adesagbnon, as they set me up, they say, don't worry, go come. Because that time they fight human trafficking anyhow, but I still go. Don't worry, we'll come, we'll set them up here, we'll go buy here. You should be able to know for this woman to hate me after I came and I went there and I survived. It's a hatred. Say this man escaped bullets. He escaped bullets because they set me up. She didn't invite me for love. She did not invite me for love because they could not harm me. Then she became my enemy today. She's an evil woman, a leader of human traffickers in the Netherlands. But Princess Adesagbnon, be very, very careful. The person bring your case to my table, I go escort you enter prison as a human trafficker that you are. I cannot run after you now because of your younger brother or senior brother, I don't know. I think it's your younger brother, Jeff. I will not run after you, but be very, very careful. Say, anything when make person mistake in this country, say you are this and that, I will escort you enter that prison. That is the offer I have for you at Adesagbnon. You are not just an ingrate, you are a devil. You are a leader of human traffickers. You are their chair lady in the Netherlands. But I will wait for that fateful day before I will tell you, say, my fighting against human traffickers is forever. No retreat, no surrender. I will never surrender. They say person hold cutlass, e no dey use until see wetin wan use am cut. Na you go know whether the cutlass sharp or not sharp. As I pap low so, when many of una dey make like this, na because I never get wetin I wan use una do. If I get wetin I wan use una do, I will line una up, una go enter that prison. I register my fight against human trafficking in this country and in Nigeria, and I am allowed to run anywhere in the world. I have it with me anywhere I go. Not just Nigeria. It's registered in this country. I can operate, even individually you can operate, but being that is registered, I can operate. Work with police, work with anything. Make sure I escort any bastard of you enter that prison. Una dey careful. Not be everybody when you invite una wish una well. Oh. Many, they not sabi you. Na be their phone where their phone can't talk nonsense, say they like you or whatever. Like, if you dey your house, they not feel harm you. Well, how they will fit harm you? Now when you come closer now, how do you come closer? They will invite you. They're even ready to buy you ticket. They will invite you. Some will tell you, say, Daddy, don't worry. 5-star hotel is booked. And me, I thank God, say, I not biological kokoro. When I say, I dey serve myself. I dey buy things for myself. I not send anybody. See drink when I full my table. Which I not even dey drink for party. For my house, I'm already done and dusted. I don't serve myself already. So wetin I want come do, wetin I come want for your party?